Did Microsoft just kill ChatGPT with all the new features added to its Bing Chat app? There's a lot of things that Bing can do that ChatGPT can't do yet. It's all free. And in this video, I'm going to reveal some of the things that you can do with Bing that you can't yet do with ChatGPT, so you can decide which chat bot is the best for you. If you're ready for all of that, AI enthusiast, then you know what to do. Find that like button and let's go smash it.
ValleyFlyin.
Hello there, fellow AI enthusiasts. I am Paul, also known as ValleyFlyin. Welcome back to the AI Adventures channel. And then to this video, we're talking all about Bing Chat, all the new features that were added. Now, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. If you want to get more great AI content, we're talking all about the latest in AI to help you in your daily life. So the homepage for Bing Chat is bing.com/chat. Takes you to this page here. If you just want to use our normal search, the Bing search, you could click on this tab here. It goes to that search page. And if you want to go back to the chat, you can go here, click on that tab, and it goes to the AI chat. Now, for this, for better results, I did find that when I logged into my Microsoft account, Bing, it got me some better search results, and I got some different features that wasn't available before I signed in. And Bing Chat is also available on your mobile device, on your iPhone, on your Android, and it allows you to do some other things that ChatGPT can't do yet. So one of the major differences between Bing Chat and the free version of ChatGPT is that Bing Chat can use the internet for its search results, whereas the free version of ChatGPT does not. So if you're looking to do more research and get more up-to-date results, Bing Chat will get you better results from your search. But if you're looking for more creativity, more chatting, more tasks, coding, things like that, ChatGPT will be the better result for you. And one of the cool things that Bing Chat offers that ChatGPT doesn't is the ability to choose your conversation style. So you could get responses that are more creative, so more imaginative with the responses that you get. You have a more balanced approach, which is going to be a more informative and friendly chat. And then there's a more precise answers that you get, which is more concise, straightforward chat. Don't just take my word for it. Let's actually ask Bing and see what Bing thinks is the major difference between Bing and ChatGPT. And to do this, we're going to use one of the new features that Bing has over ChatGPT, and that is the ability to ask your question or enter your prompt using your voice. We have these conversation styles that we covered previously, and I generally, when I'm asking the question, normally prefer to use these more precise conversation styles. Sometimes I want that more creative style. Sometimes I want a more balanced style, but in general, I tend to prefer this precise style. And you could enter your question like a normal way. You could just type it here. There's a section here where you could add an image and you could base your question off that image that you're going to enter. And we're going to cover that in just a little bit. What we want to do right now is click on this microphone icon and ask our question about Bing and ChatGPT. So let's do that. What is the main differences between Bing Chat and ChatGPT? And there it goes. It's answering the question. Now, the cool thing about this, it's not just going to give you a text response. It's also going to give you this audio response.
Bing Chat and ChatGPT are both AI chatbots that rely on a large language model known as GPT. However, there are some key differences between the two. Integration. Bing Chat is built into Microsoft Edge, so it's a more integrated, tailored way of searching for answers. That makes it a powerful research assistant. On the other hand, ChatGPT can be accessed on any browser and has more powerful integrations and plugins. Language model. Microsoft uses a more advanced model for Bing Chat, which gives it the upper hand. As of April 2023, Bing uses a testing version of the GPT-4 model, while ChatGPT is on the older GPT 3.5 Turbo model. Availability. Bing Chat is available on more platforms than ChatGPT.
And that is how to do it. Pretty awesome. We get Bing answering our questions for us, something that ChatGPT can't do. You could do this with a variety of different things. And as you can see, it records our history here. So just like ChatGPT has a history of your conversations. So another thing that Bing Chat allows you to do that ChatGPT does not, it allows you to read images. So you could upload and read images. So you could either click on this button here to add an image and get it from this device, or you could just paste an image here or drag an image there. And we dragged an image of a car here. Let's see if Bing can figure out what kind of car this is. So we asked it, what type of car is it? And there you can see one of the limitations with these images here. Privacy hides faces from Bing Chat. So you won't be able to do anything with people asking who this person is, figure it out, but you could ask different cars like this. So here we go. It's got the car here, a 1930s Duesenberg Model J Corvette Coupe. It was one of the most luxurious, expensive cars at the time. The car has a hood, the chrome grille, large chrome headlight on either side. The car has a red body with a tan convertible top, spare tire on the driver's side. It has a white wall tire on each wheel. This is awesome. I love this. All right. Other things you could do is we could use this to read images from our phones. So with Bing Chat, it has a mobile app that you could use, and let's go check it out now. And this is what the mobile app looks like. Very similar to the web app. You have your 3 conversation styles. You have your ability to ask a question or take a picture, and you could use your phone's camera to take a picture and ask any question about the picture. In this case, we're going to ask, how healthy is this food here? And Bing will search for an answer. It will recognize that it's an apple, an avocado, and some bananas, and it'll give answers based on that. And let's see what the answer is that Bing comes up with. It does recognize the health benefits of banana, avocados, and apples. It does recognize the picture, and it bases this search off of that. And says the food you have in an image is very healthy. Yes, I love it when we have very healthy food. Very good stuff here. So you could actually use Bing Chat with your mobile phone or mobile device and get answers in real time from the internet based on what you're seeing. Really, really cool stuff that you could do with Bing here, guys. So the image capabilities are really awesome, and it allows you to do one more cool thing. So if we get this login screen, this Instagram login screen, we drag the image into Bing Chat and we ask it, can you reproduce this image using HTML/CSS? And we'll see that it can actually, let's do a more precise version of this, and we'll ask it to do the same thing here. Let's get this HTML, let's get some code for this image here. So that didn't take too long, but if we look at this, we have an example of how to reproduce the Instagram login page with HTML and CSS. Look at this, we have the code there, and this code creates a simple Instagram login page with a light purple background, white box, Instagram logo at the top, text fields for the username and a password, login button, links for you forgot your login details and don't have an account, sign up. You can modify the code to customize your page to your liking. Let me know if you have any questions. I love this. This is so awesome. So those are some really cool things that you could do with Bing Chat that you can't do with a free version of ChatGPT. Now, the paid version of ChatGPT is $20 a month, and it does allow you to access the internet for the search results. It does run on GPT-4, and it does allow you to use some plugins that you can't really use on Bing yet. But at least for me right now, I think the free version of Bing is going to be my go-to chatbot right now. Let me know what you're going to continue to use in the comments, and there's also Google Bard that we need to discuss in our next video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time. Hulk fist bump, ValleyFlyin out. See you guys next time.